Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, I will explain to you how to add the user interface as an image to Unity and how to deal with it. Let us start. In order to do that, to convert a user interface image from image to elements in Unity, in order to do that, I'm going to use a plugin called Coplay. I will share the link on the description. You need to open the URL and then you need to click on code and download the zip file. Once you download, you need to extract and then go back to Unity. You need to go to Window, Package Management or Package Manager directly. And then you need to click at plus here to add a new package, install package from disk. You need to select the location for that package. Inside the location, you need to search for .json and double click on the package and it will be installed to your Unity. You need to do that at every inside every project you worked on. Now you can find it inside Unity. Let me close the window, and here I have the Coplay AI. I need to click on Open, and I need to download the dependencies. After that, you need to sign in or create an account first, and then you can sign in. For me, I'm going to sign in with Google. Now it is ready to be used. Once it's ready, I need to import the asset or the image that contain the user interface. I'm going to convert. So for now, I'm going to use this image. I think this image quality is low, so it's better to use another image. I have some images for testing, just for testing. Yeah, this one. I'm going to drag it here as an attachment, and then I need to recreate the UI, the reference image, and then I need to click on enter. Get UI. And here, yes, I need to click on run all again. About time. Another time. I need to keep using the run all until I see all the elements I want. And here I need to click on write to file. And after that, execute script. Another time, write to file. Execute. Run all again. Now I'm going to enable the auto approve and click on Run on again. I will keep the auto approve checked till I see the a design similar to mine, and then I can stop it. Now it is done. I'm going to uncheck the auto approve, and here I can check the elements. I have the content here. I have panel. Of course, there are some few things I need to edit inside the. This is the header, and this is the content. You click on content. I have it here. As you see, I have the button here. I can click on. So you can find the buttons. Of course, it will be better if you work with and images with high resolution, with better resolution, and also with bigger or larger buttons. It will be better. But here, as you see, I have the buttons. I can keep working on the styles, the designs for the buttons. As you see, now I have an image converted into buttons, and you can try it on other designs. And that's it for today, and thank you.